6 of the best note-taking apps for both Android and iPhone. We are only gonna cover text-based note-taking apps for this one. First off is Milan Note. It's a great app for visual brainstorming. Milan Note is very easy to use, even for beginners. It also has a very minimal UI. I personally like the way I was able to access my notes on this one. There is one feature about this app that I absolutely love and have been using myself a lot. It has this view where you can compare multiple notes side by side, and I really like that. If you had to compare between different notes, you'd be able to get a clearer idea this way. I generally use this while researching for my videos. I'm able to compare between multiple scripts this way. Super useful. It almost felt like playing a game, to be honest. I recently finished playing this game called Sherlock Holmes Chapter 1. It organized the notes in a similar way like that of Milan Note. Like it has the visual representation. I really found that interesting. You can use it to create mind maps, mood boards, and storyboards. I generally create a section called Quick Notes in every note-taking app that I use. I was very happy to find out that it has a dedicated section called Quick Notes by default. The free version of Milan Note has limited features. You can only create up to 100 boards. The area where Milan Note excels the most is its visual representation. It can be really easy to get a clearer idea of your notes and also helps in keeping things organized. In case you are new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. Apple Notes was actually one of my favorite note-taking apps. It's simple, yet it helps us achieve a lot. If you have an iPhone, simply keep using that. It's a beast. But we do have a similar alternative which is there for both Android and iOS. It's called Simple Notes. This app is present on every platform, even on Windows and macOS. As the name suggests, it's simple. It has a really clean UI. If you just want an app to note down your ideas, then this might be just for you. I myself use this app just because of its simplicity. I used to script my videos in Apple Notes, but I now do that here in Simple Notes, as I'm able to access that on my Windows PC as well. Simple Notes is rather too simple if you ask me. You can't really add any form of media, not even a photo inside your notes. Rather, you can't even create folders to organize your different notes. If you wanted some rich text formatting options such as fonts, colors, or media embedding, Simple Notes might not fulfill your needs that way. It is primarily designed for a simple, plain text-based note-taking. If simplicity is something you crave like myself, then Simple Notes can be a great option for you. It's rather very simple to hit the subscribe button, so would you rather please? And I'll keep bringing you more videos on productivity and tech. If you're looking for something advanced, then Obsidian won't disappoint you. It's one of the most trending note-taking apps when it comes to building your second brain. It's a very powerful app for creating and managing your notes. Obsidian emphasizes the concept of linking notes together, creating a web of interconnected ideas. Obsidian also has a large community who are constantly working on making it better. There are plugins for everything: calendars, task management, even to code highlighting. It has a graph view which provides a visual representation of note relationships. Obsidian is a cross-platform app, but you have to get the subscription of the Obsidian Sync if you want to use on different platforms. You won't be facing any issues if you back it up with iCloud, so you can use them both on your Mac, on your iPhone. But while using Android or a Windows PC, you might face some issues, so you have to subscribe to Obsidian Sync for that. You can of course add media inside of Obsidian, and it also gives you many advanced text options. Obsidian has a learning curve, especially for users unfamiliar with Markdown or those who prefer a more traditional note-taking interface. The concepts of linking notes using Markdown syntax may take some time to grasp and integrate in one's workflow, and also the graph view can feel a bit overwhelming when you have like thousands of notes lying around. Hence, I must say it's not really beginner friendly, but I previously created a video on how you can get started creating notes on Obsidian. So if that's something you might be interested in, then click on the I button just right now. Evernote. I would be lying if I said this wasn't my first ever note-taking app that I ever used. It's the real OG when it comes to digital note-taking. It's comparatively very easy to use. It's cross-platform, but the free version allows you to keep using 2 devices at a time. Along with photos and videos, Evernote also allows you to save audio recordings. It has a more of a traditional note-taking like interface. The free version of Evernote is limited in functionality. Evernote can actually be a mammoth app for personal knowledge management, and you can organize your notes quite nicely over here. The folders are known as notebooks over here, so you can organize your notes into different notebooks. This is my personal opinion, but I found the desktop version of Evernote more convenient compared with the phone version. It was much more easier to organize my notes into different notebooks in the desktop version. It's really easy to search notes over here, but overall Evernote feels really slow, to be honest. Whenever I create a new note, it takes a while to update in different devices. Notion. It's one of the most popular note-taking apps out there, and many productivity YouTubers swear by it. Notion provides a block-based system. It provides us with a hierarchical organization system using pages, subpages, and databases. pages, allowing us to create a structured knowledge base. We can nest pages within pages and link them together. It is highly customizable. You can add a different cover photo in every note of yours. There are many third-party widgets and extensions that you can add in Notion in order to make it look more aesthetic. Notion also links with other third-party apps quite nicely. Best of all is that it's free for personal use and it's again cross-platform. Organizing and managing your notes is really easy, to be honest, and you can even link different pages with each other. Notion's database feature is a powerful tool for organizing and managing data. You can use databases to track your finance and you can track your progress on a project with your team, as it has many collaborative features. You can quick search your page contents easily, or you can simply share a single page in Notion if you wanted to. However, Notion can be really slow at times, to be honest, especially when working with large databases. And to be honest, the phone app feels even more slower, but other than that, it's a very powerful app. Next up is OneNote by Microsoft. OneNote is actually very easy to use and can be learned quickly. The UI is very similar to other Microsoft apps like Word and PowerPoint. It offers a wide range of note-taking features, including audio recordings. This in hand allows us to create multimedia-rich notes, if that's something you might be looking for. OneNote syncs across all your devices seamlessly. It's rather easy organizing your notes into different notebooks. OneNote is a completely free app, but you get access to some advanced features when you subscribe to Microsoft 365 Suite. OneNote integrates well with other Microsoft Office applications, but its integration with third-party apps and services may be very limited compared to other note-taking platforms. But if Microsoft Office is your daily bread, like you often have to switch between MS Excel or Word, then it can definitely feel a lot more familiar to you. And speaking about speed, OneNote can also feel a lot slow at times, especially while working with large notebooks. And the PC version is really slow. It just takes so much time even to load up. But other than that, it's a really powerful app for managing your notes. These were a few text-based note-taking apps, but instead, if you're interested in the best handwritten note-taking apps, then click here for Android and click here for iPad. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.